If you'd like a warm winter dinner that's just a little lighter than the traditional, try this chicken bolognese sauce. As always, start with some chopped onion and celery and dice half to a whole bulb of fennel. You'll dice this the exact same way you dice an onion. On the stovetop, sweat the onion, celery, and fennel in a little olive oil until tender, and then add oregano, tomato paste, 2 bay leaves. Toast the tomato paste for a few minutes, then add the sausage, chicken sausage, breaking it up as you go. Deglaze with white wine and bring to a simmer. Then add milk, which helps tenderize the meats in this bolognese sauce and gives the sauce a heartier note with some fire-roasted tomatoes. Simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Cook the pasta of your choice al dente and then add it to some of the sauce before ladling more sauce over the top. Sprinkle with some parsley, grate some Parmesan cheese on, and dig into dinner.